Hello, my name is Professor Ian Walsh and I'm the Provost of the University of Wales, Trinity St David, Swansea and Cardiff campuses. I'm delighted to be able to speak to you today and to welcome you as part of the UWTSD family. By applying to the University of Wales, Trinity St David, you've applied to join part of a worldwide family. We have students across South Wales, in England and across the world who are studying on University of Wales, Trinity St David degrees. So you're joining a worldwide global family of learners. Now, we've all faced challenges in the past year or so, and I don't want to minimise those, but now it's time to move forward. And by making your decision to go to university, you've made an investment in your future success. And here at the University of Wales, Trinity St David, we aim to ensure that that investment is repaid by the hard work and commitment of all the staff, whether they be academic or professional, to ensure that your time with us is the best it can be, that you can be the best you can be. To that end, we've ensured that we put measures in place so whatever way the pandemic develops over the next few months or years, we put your safety and your well-being at the heart of all that we do. We changed the way we do things. We have a very fully integrated now, blended approach to learning. So whether it's on campus or online, you will have the very best experience. By joining the University of Wales, Trinity St David, you've signed up to what I believe is a bright future. A future with the university which is about to celebrate its bicentennial, 200 years of delivering the highest quality university level education here in Wales and to the world. So as you join us, as you become part of the family, you can look forward to a bright and a prosperous future. Good luck to you all.